Are you awake? May klase ka pa!
Gising na, ma!
Uy, ano ba?
Ano ka?
You just bumped into me, that's what?
Oo eh.
Ikaw lang ang may kasalanan.
Ano sabi mo? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Mom, Stellan is being disrespectful again.
What? She's the one who bumped into me kaya?
At least I'm reading.
Reading what? Romance?
Stop it, the both of you! Ang aga-aga pa! Upo na nga kayo! Ang aga-aga pa! Ikaw rin kasi, Eloise. It's so early in the morning and you're already on your phone. Are you reading that magazine again? You're always reading those kind of things if you're not drawing. Which puts us to another topic. You're always drawing. You're so talented, but you don't even show it. You don't even enter any competitions. It's such a waste.
Well, she prefers lusting over fictional characters. So, that's that.
Shut up!
Hey, chill! I'm joking.
Mag-usap nga tayo, Eloise.
First things first, Mom. It's manhwa. Second, I will never show my drawings to anyone about it.
Anak, is this because of what happened in the past again?
Yes, Mom. It's always about what happened back then. I can't believe he's still pushing me to do that again.
Eloise, what you're thinking about won't happen again. You just became unfortunate with the friends you have.
They all laugh at me.
Hindi naman lahat, di ba?
Yeah, but almost everyone did. Can I go to school na, Ma? Because I'm gonna be late na.
Someday, Eloise, you'll find someone who'll support you like I do.
Over here.
God, this is gonna be a hard year. Alam mo naman na ayaw ko mag-stand tapos sinatawag-tawag mo yung pangalan ko.
Oh, right. Sorry, I'm just excited to see you. Let's go. Good afternoon, class. Uy, sabi na tayo. Walang pasok?
Oo nagka-emergency daw. Wala si ma'am, laag na lang tayo, mall or cafe.
Tara. Hindi ka magsama.
Saan ka ngayon, Eloise? Uwi ka na?
Ha? Dito muna ako. Tambay muna kadali. Then, maya-maya. Uwi.
Wait, si El. Si El.
Typical, Hamid always stand out. I don't even know why we're friends.
Ano to? Miss, is this yours?
This is it. My tadhana. My destiny one. Sir?
Sa'yo ba to, Miss? Miss De La Cruz? Hello, read this.
Oh, it's nice.
Nothing. You have a real time. I knew you were amazing. Since you nakita kita sa Pansakala.
I not want to show my works. It's just a hobby.
Think about it. Art is so powerful. And your work will inspire others.
It's okay. Don't worry, kaya mo yan.
Darling, don't move too much, 'cause you might break the things that you have touched.
Are you in noise?
Yes.
Our exhibition is starting soon. Are you ready?
Well, Mom, do you think it's too late to take out my arts of the wall?
Why? You know, Eloy, here is the eye prioritizing enhancing the talents of the students. You can see our magazine, right? We encourage our students to express themselves freely, so we know who's talented or not. Why do you think we put your art here? Huwag kang kabahan. You see what I mean later.
After that, it's when I realize that I love you. Darling, darling, don't be scared, 'cause even if I look everywhere, your colors caught my eye and you're my favorite sight to see. It's from the way that you move and everything that you do, and after that it's when I realize that I love you.
Three, two, one, go.
Taxi ka pa!
Open mo na.
At mag-go ka kasi!
Wow!
Darling, darling, don't be scared, 'cause even if I look everywhere,